I'm a semester. My name is Affd and this is my team. This is
My name is K.L.
and this is
Hello, I am Ajit.
And my name is B. Raman.
so today we have made an automated firefighting drone. So this drone is mainly made for firefighting and other rescue activities such as delivering groceries to people who are stranded in floods and delivering ammunition and necessary supplies to soldiers. So in my locality, there's a lot of fires happening and in rainy monsoon season, there's a lot of floods happening. So this drone is designed to solve the problems by having a firefighting ball which is dropped by a dropping system which converts the servo motors 90-degree linear motion into linear motion. So let me just tell you the working of this drone. This drone works by dropping a fire extinguisher ball. And let's move on to the components here. This is the BLDC motor here, Emax motors and ESCs which stands for electronic speed controllers, and I've used a 10-inch propeller as you can see here inside. This is an radio link cross flight controller. This is a basic and basic flight controller having advanced features. This is the GPS over here, TS100 GPS, and I've installed lights over the drone, a relay module to control the lights, the transmitter here, this is an FS-I6S transmitter, and the receiver over here. To power this whole drone, I've used an 3S LiPo battery, 11.11 volts. So now let us see the working of this drone.
Great.
As you can see, this is the flight of the drone. So this has, let me just explain you the advantages of this drone. At full speed, this drone can travel at 60 kilometers per hour. And if my calculations are right, it can cover 1 minute it can cover 1 kilometer in just 1 minute. And the most important part of this project, this drone is stationed in a ground station every 5 kilometers once. So whenever it is powered by solar power and wind energy. It is stationed 5 kilometers once, and if it receives an emergency call, it will instantly take off and go. So this is the drone here, and there are many things that can be further upgraded. So thank you. Happy firefighting.